or visit ciatra.com. If you are planning to fly with American Airlines, whether you're booking your first trip or looking for the best fare, knowing how American Airlines reservations work can save you time and money. In the next 3 minutes, we'll walk you through everything you need to know. You can make American Airlines reservations through the official website, the mobile app, by phone, or with a trusted travel agency. Online booking is usually the fastest option, allowing you to compare fares, choose seats, and receive instant confirmation. Enter your departure and destination cities and choose your travel dates. Compare available fares and select your preferred flight. Pick your seats, add passenger details, and complete payment. Your booking confirmation will be sent immediately. American Airlines offers several fare options from basic economy to first class. Basic economy is usually the lowest priced choice, but comes with more restrictions. Main cabin offers greater flexibility, while premium economy, business, and first class provide extra comfort and priority services. To save money, book early and compare travel dates. Redeem Advantage miles and watch for seasonal promotions. Consider flying on weekdays when fares are often lower. After booking, you can manage your reservation online to change eligible flights, select seats, add baggage, or request upgrades. Check in and download your mobile boarding pass before arriving at the airport. If you found this guide helpful, like this video and subscribe for more travel tips. Check out ciatra.com, our complete American Airlines reservation guide before your next trip and safe travels.